Hello, good morning. My name is Erika Bell, and I'm going to tell you about my weekend. On Friday, I went to work the morning shift, and after work, I went to a Christmas bazaar with my girlfriend and my sister. On Saturday, we went home to play pool and visit my parents. That day is saw three of my friends. On Sunday we went out for breakfast and then went to Walmart to buy some groceries. Then accompanied my girlfriend to get her nails done. And to end the day we went to buy pizza to eat.